I am broke and I want to start making content, but I don't want to show my face. So I made this, a PNG tuber. And I'll show you how to make one in a day, as well as a simple tip to make it look even better. First, you're gonna need a drawing software. I use Clip Studio Paint, but you can choose whatever software you like. Then, we're gonna draw our PNG tuber model. Here's mine. Just going with a simple chibi design with former clothing and a few accessories here and there, something like a brooch. I also went with a pixelated art style because I think it's easier. And I had a problem before where when I used my PNG tuber in OBS, there were a lot of green screen artifacts on the edges, and I didn't like the look of it. And me being new, I don't know how to fix it, but with a pixelated art style, there's a clear edge in the line art. So here, we are cleaning up the line art, adding the colors, and we are done. What do you think? Here's the model, but it's not finished yet. We're gonna need 4 versions of our avatar for reasons I'll be showing on the next part. We're gonna need open eyes, closed mouth, open eyes, open mouth, closed eyes, closed mouth, closed eyes, open mouth. And here are our 4 images done. I'm then saving it with no background. Next, we're gonna choose another software where we can import our images and have our avatar move. And for a one-brain-celled creature like me, I use Veadotube Mini. There are other softwares like PNG Tuber Plus and PNG Tuber Remix, but it's too complex for me. Veadotube Mini is easy to use, especially for new users, but also provides enough customization so you can go crazy however you like. You can download Veadotube Mini by going to itch.io. It's free, but you can support the developers if you like by paying your chosen amount. Link is in the description. Now let's open Veadotube Mini and we're gonna be greeted with this default avatar. You can see these icons here that says closed mouth image, open mouth, closed mouth blinking, and open mouth blinking. This is where we're gonna put our avatar images that we made. So I'm just gonna replace each image with our own, and we have to make sure that the images we imported are the same with what it says on each icon. Like here, it says closed mouth. I'm gonna replace it with our image described here. Otherwise, it's gonna look weird because it doesn't match. Once that's done, you can now see it working. Notice how our avatar is a bit blurry? Don't worry. We can select this pencil icon here which says State Properties and look at Image Mode. It says Smooth right now. Just click the arrow and have it at pixel. There you go. It looks clear now. You can add other states if you want. Basically, just other expressions of your PNG tuber like my current one. You can also experiment how your avatar moves when it is idle or how it moves while you are talking here in State Effects. Just pick from the selections and move the sliders until you have something you are satisfied with. Don't forget to save your avatar here in Avatar Settings. Just click Save Mini Avatar and you are good. You can also click Load Mini Avatar if you made different models. Here's an example of my very first model and the next one. And we are done. We now have our very own PNG tuber, quick and easy, except the drawing part. We can stop here and be done, but if you wanna go an extra mile, there's one simple tip we're gonna add that will enhance our model. Notice how you can see there are more movements in my model. That's because I made it into a GIF. And how I did it is just add more frames. I'm gonna draw different mouth shapes for our open mouth frame so we can have some sort of movement in the mouth, not just an opening animation. I'm just gonna make 3 different shapes, but you can add more if you want. Save each as a different image and done. Now we have 3 images with different mouth shapes. Make sure to save it in order of the sequence that you want. Now we have to go to any GIF maker. I just use easygif.com/maker because I found it easier. I'm sure there are other ways of doing this, probably even more efficient, but this is my simple method. After going to their website, click Choose Files. I'm gonna select our 3 images, click Open, then Upload Files. After that, you can change the delay on each frame however you like. I'm gonna change it to 15 and I'm gonna check the Don't Stack frame. Just leave this one blank and click Make GIF. Here's our animated GIF for the open mouth frame, and save. I'm also gonna do the same with our closed mouth blinking frame. Now we just have to replace these 2 frames with our newly made GIFs, and we're done. Now we have more movements in the mouth. In my opinion, it looks way better with more frames. What do you think? This part is just optional. The earlier version still looks good, but if you wanna go an extra mile, you can do this also. And that's gonna be it for a short tutorial. I'm not an expert on this, but I'm just showing my method of making a Pngtuber model so you can start your very own. If there are any tips you wanna add that can help me improve my workflow, please tell me in the comment section below. Subscribe. Thank you.